Hello, this is Cesar Rivas from Sound Payments, and today I want to show you a short video of our Sound POS solution with three features that I want to focus on. The first one is the ability to create a payout category for lotteries. The second one is the ability to create categories for manual input. So if you receive a shipment, don't want to put it in inventory, but want to make sure it's categorized. And then the third one is the ability to do split tender. You can do 2, 3, however many forms of payment you have available for the store. All right. So first, let me go ahead and log into my POS here, so you can see. And we're going to show you how you can set it up both on the store portal and on the terminal itself. Okay, so you'll be able to do it both. If you don't have a computer available, you can do it on the terminal. If you're not at the terminal, you can do it through a computer, a tablet, or even a cell phone. All right, so let's wait for this to go ahead and kick in. There we go. On the store portal, you would actually go to catalog and categories. Okay, and we're going to create categories for both at the same time. And then on the terminal, let me log in here. Okay. On the terminal, you're going to go to the inventory function here. Okay, on the main screen, and then you've got categories right under there. Let's go ahead and create categories on the terminal first. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on Add at the top. You're going to type in the name of the category for the lottery. So let's do a couple of them. Let's do scratch off lottery. Okay, and you need to activate. It is a restricted age, so you need to choose the customer restricted age. I believe 18 is for the lotteries. But right underneath that, you're going to go ahead and choose use for pay in, pay out. Right, we save that one there. All right, now on the web portal, same thing. You go to add new. Okay, you choose the name of that lottery. So let's say that we're going to do Mega Millions lottery. Okay, see it here. You're going to activate it for pay in, pay out. Right at the bottom, you're going to go ahead and activate the restricted age and choose your customer restricted age, which is 18, and then of course your employee restricted age should be 21. Okay, I'll go ahead and save that. Now I'm going to go back to the terminal so we can activate a couple of categories that you're going to see under the manual entry. Okay, so these are the categories that are already existing. All right, let's say that we want to add the books and stationery to manual entry. You have to just slide where it says use for category entry. You say that. As a matter of fact, you can choose something that's only going to be displayed or create a catalog that's only going to be displayed under the manual entry and not for the general menu. So for example, I can say for the candy, okay, which is already set for category entry, I can go ahead and deselect the display and menu, save that, and from that point forward, you won't see it on the main menu, only on the manual category. And then if we go to the portal, same thing, we've got these existing categories here. Let's say the gift shop. We say, all right, you know what? Well, I want to use this for entry. Okay, save and close that one. So let's say the groceries. Okay, we don't want to display it on the menu. We only want it for manual entry. We save and close that. All right, we're going to go back to the terminal now. And here, of course, for the changes that I did on the web portal, I need to synchronize the terminal so it takes immediate effect. If not, I have to wait about 5 minutes. Okay, so go to settings, go to cloud and click on sync. It'll take about a few seconds. Let's wait for it to synchronize. All right, so first I'm going to show you then, here we go, the payout for the lottery, right? So we go to the main screen, we choose pay in, pay out, right? We're gonna select payout, and let's choose the first one there, which was the scratch off lottery, missing a Y. Okay, it'll be $5. Okay, save that one there. You can even put a name on there if you'd like. Say we do Tom. Okay, save. And then I'm going to do a second one. I'm going to go ahead and do payout for the Mega Millions, right? Maybe that was a little bit more. Put $25 in there. Okay, and again, you can put a name if you'd like. Now, when we go to history, and you're going to see several of these because I've been doing it all day, but you see the latest ones here, right? which are going to be the 25 and the 5 one. Tom, I paid the $5 one. Okay, so that's for the lottery itself. Okay, if we want to do a manual entry, I'm going to go to the sales screen, and you'll notice again, candy is no longer on the main menu. Okay, and I think I took another one off. I forgot which one it was, but if we go to the manual category entry, which is in the top right here, now I click on the drop down. Now I've got all these categories available. I think it was a books or stationery that's not available now on the main menu. So you can choose, one of these categories and say, all right, this is a book. We're going to call it Newsweek magazine, but okay, $2.99. Okay, and we just put 1 for the quantity, and boom, it'll actually be added on there. Okay, and then the next item I want to show you, go back to the menu, is how to do split payment. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as a customer. Okay, this customer that I utilize, just so I have a couple of more options for payout. Okay, for split tender. All right, so this testing guy, I choose the testing guy. Okay, I'm going to add just one more thing so it's a little more expensive and I can split the payment. Let's go ahead and add the bicycle. So when I go to pay, then I can choose the amount for each payment type. So let's see, for cash, I want to go ahead and pay $200. Okay. Perfect. So now it gets counted $200 from the total. Credit card. And I can choose let's do, I don't know, another $200. Okay. It's going to ask me to insert the card. I'll insert the card on here. I do have signature capture, so I can actually sign on here and it'll show on the receipt. Okay, I'll remove the card. Now it's taking $200 off. And then the third one I've got on here is for the account payment. So if the store provides your customers with accounts, with credit accounts, you can actually just choose account here. It'll tell you, what's available as far as the balance and how much they owe, what the total credit is. And I'll say, all right, I'll go ahead and charge $117 to the total account. Okay, it's going to ask me how I want to print it. But to show you what that looks like, I'm going to go back into the store portal. Okay, go under reports and show you this latest transaction. Now the transactions usually upload immediately, right? So you see this one was at $239. Okay, it's $239 now. I can go in here and I can look at the receipt. Say, all right, see what that receipt looks like here. We did 3 forms of payment for the split tender. Okay, so you got the items here, which are your bicycle and your magazine, gives you the subtotal, okay, the taxes and everything. And then you've got what points you got. I could have paid it with loyalty if loyalty is the only one that does not accept split tender, right? You have to do it up front if you want to do that. But I paid $200 in cash. I did $200 for the chip, and then I charged the difference to the account. And it shows you now an updated account balance and what's available. All right. So with that, it pretty much covers those 3 items that I mentioned. And I hope you're able to take advantage of these. Thank you for your attention.